Greetings, technology enthusiasts. I am Chandrahas and I am delighted to be here with you representing CyberBrainer. Do you not believe that the technology sector is advancing at an unprecedented rate, making this an opportune moment to acquire the skills that will facilitate your progress? With CyberBrainer, we are empowering you to take control of your own future. At CyberBrainer, we do not merely impart your interests. We assert that information is power, yet it is the application of knowledge that distinguishes you. Our courses are meant to equip you with essential skills, whether you are pursuing data science, understanding artificial intelligence, or delving into cybersecurity. Let us commence the session and seize the future today. Thank you.
Welcome to Workday Integration Architect Overview. What is meant by Workday Integration? What is meant by Architect Overview? What exactly we are going to understand? These are all things we are going to get to know by today. What is an integration system in Workday? Workday provides you a single architect cloud-based enterprise application and management. It suits the combination of finance and HR analytics to the single system. As part of the platform, users can easily manage and customize data sets from the connection of workforce and sources. For this, we are going to understand that the Workday system is going to be in support, as we know that there would be HR activities, organization activities, client activities, financial activities. Apart from that, we can able to use the HR Workday to the different multiple sectors, kind of manufacturing, garments and other units also. Workday client is going to be customized according to your organization needs. Remember this point. And the second point, Workday doesn't get any app or any option that the integration system in Workday. It's a search bar navigation. You need to find it through the search bar navigation. Where is this integration function? What is this integration function? In the first concept, we are going to understand how to do the integration, the organization data to the cloud in the complete EIB module related to the organization and client. And the third sector and the second sector, we are going to understand how to give connectors in Workday related to the integration, cloud data related activities, document transformation and system user creation related activities. First, today we can complete this EIB module of what is EIB related activities and how to create these all. What is EIB participation cases and what is meant by inbound and outbound integration and how to use the XSL transformation and how to configuration this then and project user case study of EIB implementation. While doing this activity, we need to go to the first and understand little theoretical process. The theoretical process we can continue on same. What is Workday Architect? Workday is a cloud-based application software typically designed and developed to the manager. Enterprises, human capital management, resource planning and financial management. Application becomes of hits and multiple features over the organization and its sizes. User of Workday for the business. Workday EIB integration is purely a cloud-based application where we need to use the mass data production to the organization to the cloud-related activities we are going to develop. Workday is a cloud-based application software typically designed by the developer to manage the enterprise's human capital management, resource planning, and financial management which applicants, because of the multiple features, every organization disputes their size of users and Workday for the business. Whatever the organization internal and external data we have in the organization, the complete data where we are going to do a migration to the cloud. How to do those cloud migration is all about the architect of Workday. We are going to understand. Coming to this, below you can see the entire slide. There was an image. I'll give you 2 minutes of time. I'll pick you 3 of the persons to answer this. What is exactly the fourth way? I'm going to explain you. What does this mean by an exact? I'll give you just 3 minutes of time. Please go through and be ready. I may pick anyone in this 10 members. Suresh. Anyone starts with Kuzma, you can go ahead. What is exactly your understanding of what we're watching this screen? These are all different financial organizations or service providers from different countries. Complete. Namata, go ahead. Its integration happened from Oracle Cloud to Workday Cloud. Very good. And these are the service providers. They were doing everything for the Oracle Cloud, but now it's happening. The integration happening to the Workday Cloud. This is what I have understood. Very good. Yours has been reached almost. Workday Finance Management. It is providing this software to all web service. Remaining all data service. UKHMR for different companies. They are providing financial management services. Very good. Thank you. I'll give an overview to everyone. Please have a check. FX Loaders, it's a private limited organization. In that we have 5 different projects. The first project would be, Oneida Rate Services. Second would be at Ignite Rate Services. And the third one is Retoots Rate Services, European, Central Bank Rate Services, UK AMMRC Rate Services. We have in 5 different process. Unfortunately, all process has been related to the financial related activities. They were in the Oracle Cloud and they want to migrate with Workday Cloud. To migrating, we need to do a configuration and integration option. Configuration is nothing, but it's an integration. Those integration we need to schedule as a backend. Post-schedulation has been completed. We're going to start giving a migration to the Oracle Cloud to Workday Cloud. Immediately it will go on migrating to the Workday Finance Management currency rates on Workday Cloud related activities. Am I clear? We're going to understand how the cloud services is going to be unmigrated, the entire process. Does Workday integrate with Workday? Workday Integrate Clouds was created. Cloud was created from enterprises' classic integrations technology and built into the core of Workday. It's available to all users and applications on Workday. Workday Integrations is going to create a new cloud creation that will be available in the enterprises class integration technology that you people can feel it. How we are going to do those all? Migrations, and it's available to all the user platforms in the Workday as well. Thank you. Let me show you the other PPD as well. We understand what is integration and now we are going to understand what is EIB. Overview of Workday HCM Techno-Functional. EIB means everyone's know EIB is, it's an enterprises interface builder. The observer, you know the full formation of EIB. We know everyone. Let's jump into the second slide to understand more. What is an EIB in Workday? Workday EIB tool allows Workday customers to mass upload and mass extra data for their Workday system. It works by general XML Excel template from your Workday system that contains the required files where you need data or that needs to be unpopulated. On this process, everyone should understand first point. In this EIB integration, you can able to do mass data uploadation. There is no restriction that you need to be sustained your data like this, or you need to be maintain your data sheet within that, something like that. There is no restrictions. You can able to upload the mass data conversion in this. In the second point, you need to be generated an XML Excel template. This is a Workday language, XMXL template. While knowingly everyone, we need to upload the complete data with an Excel file formatization within sequence on each and every individual department. Yes, and the Workday systems which contains the required files you need and data on are the needs of being populated. Whenever it was deploying your details into the server, you need good data support in your organization. Those data related server supports was going to given by your networking team is going to be and take care. You don't need to worry about it. Am I clear, all of you? Any questions? Please unmute yourself and put it across to me. How do I find my EIB in Workday? Where I need to find my integrations or EBB? You need to go to the search bar, select in the taskbar, and you need to enter EIB. You will get EIB related information from there. You need to be able to access your EIB integration tools for your requirement of integrating attachment documents, rows as well. What is an EIB format? Technically speaking, EIB files are extra or it's a text file format to flow the XML rule. Most often those XML files are used as inputs to a Workday delivered web services that updates the database object, for examples, interest and updated and sometimes deleted also. Whenever we are going to upload the data, we can able to edit, update and delete also. Definitely for these three activities, we need to take different level approval to do as well within the Workday. How do I check errors in my EIB? Selecting an event, links in the integration event columns and select and message tabs. These columns display icon for such messages. Errors have a red icon and warnings have a yellow icon. Select the message link in the message, columns on same guys. You doesn't feel any. You know this thing. Whenever you miss the data sequence or it was wrongly uploaded from related to one file to other file, easily your system will identify and track. Since you people was been using and training tenants, it doesn't feel that you know aura of live tenant. Once you enter into the live tenant, that will be 24/7. It's going to be an work and artificial intelligence will be an calculated auto checks under which file area, which file was going to be an uploading in the cloud system. That's the utilization of power we have in the cloud platforms area. This is the simple image format how the integrations will work from organization to cloud data machine. This image has a small reference to you people. The A is in company and next to that, you can see the filaments, all the screws and nuts and cloud. The lockers and security password related criteria. These are all things. Thank you. That's how I hope you understand people. What is we are going to do in the EIB? Let's do first. We need to create an integration case user. To create an integration case user, we need to dig into the search bar. Let me change my start proxy. Go to the search bar and enter here. create integrations. You will get and create integrations. Have it happen to the integration work package mapping task. Have entered your user base name. In this, you can able to create to the individual user and their department or the entire organization. Tell me which one you would like to be able to create to this activity. Process is same, only from the name you know and source of system is being little difficult to you people. Tell me which one you would like me to do. Department, organization or individual user. We'll do all three. Not an issue. First we'll go with organization. Source of system. I'm going to select here source of systems. In this, I'm going to select my project or my company here, whatever the fields you are seeing. This has been very limited fields. It has been reflecting. But once you win the organization, it will give you your branches details, your organization, individual departments like HR planning, and along that you will get an active employees data also. In that three, you need to pick up which one you are going to do. I'm going to select it. iPhone project for the data mapping. Coming to the external codes, I'm going to mention my, organization branch code on here. Work tag is to create an integration user-based system here. I need to set up my favorites under this. I'll get my organizations. Have a selected of this. This is an alternative, but usually I need to select IBM private. It's up here. Since I don't have an option, I pick up this one. Suppose that we need to go to the comment session and tell you what exactly you're doing. You just mentioned here you're doing an integration. Integration user case. Post completing this tab too. If you're having in a live data of active data, you'll get the complete data of your organization user base. Have it up to this 3 action box. Selected the work package and export the file from here. It's loading. Just give me a minute to export it off. You downloaded this file. This user base created file integration user case space and share that file to your internal and external authorized checklist of persons. What are all activities? He was going to giving an integration work package under the IBM private. Integration and user case here. Post the tab to tab. Create an integration work tagging mapping again. Now we're going to do the individual department. Tell me which department you wanted me to do quickly. Can you talk a little louder? Our department. You always been in the HR department, you ask the HR team. HR team, and I'm going to mention my organization name also source of system. Go to the source of system on here. In this you can have a select of your department of HR. I can able to create if I tap on to the create system. There was a certain things which will be and not allow us. Have it up to. Luckily it's taken. Do not enable ledger accounts on here. This is not part of us. It's a payroll and finance, but have it up to direct and external code. You can give your branch code on here directly. And work packages, you need to go here, the work package, and you need to sell it here. There is no, not at all in the HR related program, not even one. I need to select my HR team related. You know options, but unfortunately it doesn't get. The score has said. Finally, I received from here one option related to that. Usually I need to select my HR department on here. HR admin department. The option would be it. I went on multiple options under the department I selected. But usually you people get those all information in the same fields. Whatever the fields you can able to see in this opportunity, locations, job profiles, expenses, customers on board. In this you will get the complete data of your organization, departments, and along with the individual departments, criteria, sector details. Post completing this, have a mention of your integration. User case and have it upon to. And have a selected off under the work package. Tap onto the 3 action dots. Have export the file from here. And have it up onto the download, and you can share this score. You know H, R related activities, and whatever the mapping has been happening in this. You know in this report. You can share it to your authorized departments also. You know the data has been not reflected. Don't worry. There is no data. Whatever the options we are going to select in this, usually you will get the data. I'll show you how the sample is going to be. Looks to you people. This is all. The live data will go into the end. This is an integration system is called, you know our HR team data. Clouthai 2963. Who is the person who's going to do this integration in your team? Member? You need to enter their idea here. Networking team approved. Yes, it was been uploaded. Department name HR, team name is Bala, and manager name is Arjun, Bala Arjun. And you can able to see the front end links and the back end links. These links will be generated. Our internal MIS teams. How to make all those reports? How to make all those reports? I will also show you on ongoing session to you people on sync and come down to the below. You can able to see the dashboard in a day you can able to do, and thousands of links being uploaded from the internal data to your external data sheets on sync. That is what it is. Post completing this, have a tap onto the save and send it to and upload it, or send it to your authorized team members, or upload it to the drive of your Google, your cloud drive. Have it happen to the time. come to the main way. This is all we need to create, guys, for the user and individual and organization base related activity of, AB partial user case related data. Please do like, share and subscribe to our channel.